Hello everyone. Today I speak my paper. The title is Quantifying the Impact of Football Program Participation on the Holistic Development of Middle School Student Basis for Training Program Initiatives. And my name is Xia Chen Xiang, and you also call me Frank. This study aims to assess how middle school football programs for students aged 18 to 19 for physical, cognitive, and social development, preparing them for the transition to adulthood. Statement of the problem. SOP1, what is the profile of the respondent in terms of 1.1 sex, 1.2 age? SOP2, what are the current physical fitness level of middle school students who are actively participating in football programs in terms of 2.1 cardiovascular endurance, 2.2 muscular strength, 2.3 flexibility, 2.4 body composition. SOP3, what is the holistic development levels of middle school students who are actively participating in football program in terms of 3.1 cognitive, 3.2 emotional, 3.3 social. SOP4, is there a significant difference between the profile fitness levels and the holistic development of the middle school student who are actively participating in football program? Scope and delimitation of the study. 1. Target demography. Middle school student ages 18 to 19. 2. Geographic context. Guangzhou Experimental Foreign Language School. 3. Institutional focus. Football program participation. 4. Holistic development, physical, cognitive, and social impact. 5. Methodologic boundaries. Quantitative analyze specific program initiatives. Method and produce. 1. Research design, quantitative comparative study. 2. Population middle school student aged 18 to 19 at Guangzhou Experimental Foreign Language School. 3. Sampling method, stratified random sampling. 4. Statistical techniques, Sharper-Wilk test, parametrics test, no parametric test. 5. Methodological boundaries, quantitative analyze specific program initiatives. Summary of findings. 1. Physical fitness, adequate overall, areas for improvement in cardiovascular endurance and flexibility. 2. Target training, need for specific interventions to enhance fitness levels. 3. Holistic development, progress in cognitive, emotional, and social skills, but still developmental. 4. Structured programs, emphasize on mental toughness, emotional regulation, and social interaction. 5. Well-rounded approach, balance between athletic performance and personal growth. Physical fitness, cardiovascular endurance, aerobic exercises, interval training, endurance running, flexibility training, dynamic and static stretches, major muscle groups, injury prevention, strength and conditioning, body weight exercises, core strengthening, upper and lower body focus, body composition, monitoring health weight management, nutritional education. Holistic development, cognitive development, mental resilience, game strategy, visualization, tactical decision-making, emotional development, coping strategies, emotional resilience, reflective practices, social development, team building, communication, conflict management, cooperation, program enhancement, individualized training, parental involvement, progress monitoring, evaluation. Purpose football program output of Guangzhou Experimental Foreign Language School. Social and team dynamics. Goal: strengthen teamwork, communication, and conflict resolution skills. Activities: team building exercises, group discussions, conflict management workshops. Parental engagement. Goal: support holistic student development through parental involvement. Activities: parent workshops, progress updates, resources for at-home support. Personalized training and monitoring. Goal: tailor training to individual needs and track progress. Activities: individualized training plans, regular assessment, performance dashboard. Cardiovascular and strength training. Goal: enhance endurance and muscle strength through interval training. Bodyweight exercises and core strengthening. Activities: aerobic draws, push-ups, squats, and core exercises. Flexibility and injury prevention. Goal: improve flexibility and reduce injury risk with dynamic and static stretches. Activities: daily stretching routines focusing on major muscle groups. Cognitive and emotional resilience. Goal: develop mental toughness, game strategy, and emotional regulation. Activities: visualization exercises, mindfulness sessions, coping workshops, journaling. And that's all. Thank you for your listening and watching.